Good morning. My name is Dr. Robert Martin. I'm a PhD audiologist. And today I want to talk to you about hearing aid test equipment and how to use it to fit hearing aids. Let's start off by looking at a hearing test and notice that when you test a person's hearing, you put the marks for the right and the left ears on a graph or a sheet of paper. And notice that on this test, there's good hearing in this area and poor hearing in this area. And now when we take a hearing aid, you take it and put it in a box and you turn on a test signal, and if you watch this test signal, it'll stabilize as soon as I put the hearing aid in the box. You end up with a curve, and now you have a curve called a frequency response curve for that hearing aid as it's being used. Now, is this hearing aid good for this person? No. This hearing aid would be really bad if we put it on a person with this kind of hearing loss. And to explain that, I want to show you a little cartoon or a little joke. Here's the cartoon that explains this concept. Funny shaped audiograms are kind of like funny shaped feet. And if you have a funny shaped foot, you would have to be very careful if you made a shoe for this particular foot. A regular or normal shoe would go on here and hit this little point or hit this little point and make a lot of trouble. So if you're going to successfully fit that foot, you're going to need a shoe that accommodates the strange shape that's on that foot. So in our little cartoon, we've developed a shoe that actually fits a weird shaped foot. Same thing with ears. When you have a hearing curve and a hearing aid curve, you want to have the hearing aid curve match the hearing curve, because if you have a spot where the hearing's real good and you put a lot of sound in that spot, the person's going to hate the hearing aid. So you need to match the curve of the hearing aid to the curve of the person's ear. Thank you.